I do not understand, after 3 years and 7 months into Obama's presidency, that you could have, you being Obama, a fan base that would support you because you have put them deeper in debt than ever before, to the tune of trillions of dollars. The American people are less secure due to cuts in the military. The presidential advancement has taken place in this country to supersede morals and any family value with the promotion of gay and lesbians agenda. We have no energy program whatsoever. We are supposed to be the world's superpower. We have no energy program. We're relying on the wastage and the throwing down the toilet of our tax dollars going to green energy, which is completely stupid. Let me underline that and say it again. Completely stupid. We have less freedoms now than ever before. Big Brother, like Kilroy from World War II, has his eyes over the fence watching us 24/7, 365, telling us and dictating to us what we can do. We have the destruction of a health and medical insurance plans because of Obamacare and all the hidden taxation that's going to absolutely bite Americans of all income brackets. And from foods and beverages to our light bulbs, Obama is absolutely taking charge as a dictator.